Video Brindquedo. More like Video Brindquedo. This company sucks. This company ripped off movies that are made by DreamWorks, Pixar, and Blue Sky. They made Little Panda Fighter, a rip off to Kung Fu Panda, and the Little Cars. They rip off to Disney's Cars. And Ray Tiny, a rip off to Ray Cheerio, and Tiny Robots. They rip off to Blue Sky's Robots, etc. The animation was horrible. The characters are robots. Thank God it got shut down in 2012. Do you know who likes this company? G. He likes this company and favorite movies are funny. Do you know who hates this company? Black Yoshi. He hates the company and failed films. So screw Video Brindquedo and screw Steffi the Killer Television. Hot Gigaton is so many times better than Video Brindquedo. End of rant. First, I'm going to rant on Redepmtion2. Enjoy Redepmtion2, more like Redepmtion2. This game sucks. This game is rated M and remake of Grand Theft Auto, which is bad enough. This game is totally rated M. I can't believe it released in October 26, 2018. I hope it's taken off PS4 and Xbox. I don't know who likes this game. Do you know who hates this game? Mordecai and Rigby. You'll be game to be one forever. So screw Redemption2 and screw hatred. Fortnite is so many times better than Redemption2. End of rant.